Fefdy.
Addition of three two-digit numbers. Let's place these numbers on the place value grid
25, 31, 12.
and add them from right to left. That is from ones place to tens place.
So let's add 25 plus 31 plus 12.
Danush, look at the place value grid and tell me the digits in the ones place.
5, 1 and 2.
Very good. Let's add those numbers using our fingers.
Oh, can we add using our fingers?
Yes, Latif, that's pretty easy. To add 5 plus 1 plus 2, hold up 5 fingers on your hand. To add 1, we'll hold up one more finger. How many fingers are raised now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers.
To add plus 2 again, hold up 2 more fingers.
1, 2.
How many fingers are raised up now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers.
Exactly. So let's add the ones place.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers.
Exactly. So 5 plus 1 plus 2 is 8. Let's move on.
Are you ready to unlock the power of the English language? Dive into the world of Fefdy's English textbooks. Master the English alphabet from A to Z. Learn 468 words, 78 expressions, 44 sounds, vocabulary building, phonetic awareness, consonants and vowels, sight words, question words, and grammar fundamentals. Fefdy's English books, where every page sparks a love for learning. Contact us at 89398-90347 or visit www.fefdy.com.
To the tens place.
I'll tell the digits in the tens place. The digits are 2, 3 and 1.
That's extraordinary, Latif. Now let's add them using our fingers. To add 2 plus 3 plus 1, hold up 2 fingers. To add plus 3, hold up 3 more fingers. Now you have 5 fingers. To add 1, hold up 1 more finger. How many fingers are raised up in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fingers.
That's right, Fern. Let's move on to the tens place. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So what did we get by adding 25 and 31 and 12?
It's 68.
That's right.